Hey foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook. So today's recipe is triple decker sandwich with a paneer, corn and cheese stuffing. So let's start with it.
Let's start with some mint and coriander chutney or the green chutney, some veg mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons. Mix it well till well combined. Now add some spices like black pepper powder, salt and garlic powder. You can use garlic cloves also. Some Jerra powder and coriander powder, chaat masala, mixed herbs and some garam masala. Mix it well. Some turmeric and red chili powder. Some oil for better consistency. Mix it well. Now add some boiled sweet corn, roughly chopped onion, 4 to 5 cubes of cheese which are chopped. Now mix it well. Then add some chopped paneer. Our stuffing is looking very good. Now keep it aside and take 3 bread slices. You can use brown bread also. Then apply some soft butter. Then some mint and coriander chutney or the green chutney. Some stuffing, 2 tablespoons. Then take second bread slice, apply some green chutney and butter. Then stick it to the first bread slice with the stuffing. On the second bread slice, apply some green chutney and butter, then the stuffing, and on third bread slice, apply some mayonnaise and stick it. We will make one more. Now, after grilling or toasting it on the pan or in a grilling machine, our triple decker sandwich is ready with paneer and corn stuffing. It is looking very good. Now let's try it. The taste cannot be defined. It is super delicious and very awesome. Try it in your home and send me a picture on my Facebook page or Instagram account named as Siddha Can Cook. Please like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. If you have any thoughts or any suggestions, give it in the comment section below. Also check out the description box for the ingredients and their measurements. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel and happy cooking.